How to use stealth strategy in Gunship Battle. First of all, choose a helicopter that is fast and easy to control. Smaller or lighter helicopters are better for stealth because you can move quickly and avoid being seen by enemies. Next, avoid flying straight into enemy lines. Use mountains, buildings, or clouds to hide from enemy radar. Flying low and changing direction often makes it harder for enemies to target you. It's also important not to shoot too much. Shooting too often can give away your position, so only attack when it's safe. Using long range weapons or missiles helps you stay hidden while taking out enemies. Another tip is to watch enemy movements before attacking. Waiting for the right moment helps you stay safe and gives you a better chance to complete the mission. Finally, always have a escape plan. If enemies spot you or attack, retreat, reposition, and then continue your mission. Using stealth helps you survive longer and finish missions more efficiently. Now you know how to use stealth strategy in Gunship Battle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.